this is what I want to tell the Nigerian Police, Rivers State Command. You are the one supporting them to disobey the law, to cause violence. Police, if you don't want to do your duty, let us know. I will release our neighborhood watch. If you don't do your work, we'll take over your work from you.
Yes, sir.
Police, if you don't want to do your work, we'll take your work from you.
Yes, sir.
You cannot support people who are breaking the law. You know the truth of the matter. You are scared so that they don't do one or don't transfer you. Your duty is not to be permanent anywhere. As long as a security man, you can be sent to anywhere, any day.
Right.
If you want to use public facility, government facility, built by government, if you want to use a school, if you want to use our stadium, you pay certain amount of money so that if you destroy anything, government will be in a position to use that money and rebuild whatever you have destroyed. And they said they will not pay. We as PDP, we are in government, yet we obey the law. As we use here, we have paid the money to government coffers. How dare all these small associations, how dare to say you will not obey the law?
No way.
If you don't obey, we will resist you. There are people crying. They forget how they were using the military. Was it not here? When the military came here to make sure to carry the ballot papers and the results, was it not here? They forget how the military took over all collection centers to take away the materials. It's not because you stood firm and they're opening their dirty mouth. Because we are loyal, we will abide to the rule of law. Tell them not to push out to the wall. No. Tell them not to push out to the wall. If you don't want to obey the law, you face the consequences of it.
Yes,
Less politician, you have a position, you cannot help your people. And you are coming out to open your mouth simply because you didn't get, and they did not give you second time to be DG of Nimasa. You have the guts to tell me I should name my presidential candidate. Are we at the same level?
Not at all.
Failure and success, are they the same?
No way.
Look at the man who is always failing every day. And let me also tell him, he does not understand the activities of G5. I have told most people who don't know, this fight we are fighting is like a guerrilla warfare.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The more you look,
The less you see.
the more you look,
The less you see.